What are 5 skills a HVAC technician should have? Hello everyone, welcome back to HVAC Official Channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about the 5 important skills every HVAC technician should have. If you want to become a professional in HVAC, these skills are very important for your success. 1. Technical knowledge. The first and most important skill is technical knowledge. An HVAC technician must understand how heating and cooling systems work. This includes knowledge of components like compressors, condensers, evaporators, and refrigerants. Without strong technical knowledge, it is very difficult to diagnose problems or repair systems correctly. 2. Problem-solving skills. HVAC technicians face different problems every day. Sometimes the system is not cooling properly. Sometimes there is a gas leak, or sometimes electrical parts are not working. A good technician must be able to quickly find the problem and choose the right solution. 3. Electrical skills. HVAC systems include many electrical parts such as wiring, motors, capacitors, and control boards. A technician must know how to safely work with electricity, check connections, and fix electrical faults. This skill is very important for both safety and proper system operation. 4. Communication skills. A technician must also have good communication skills. They need to explain problems and solutions to customers in a simple way. Good communication builds trust and helps in providing better service. 5. Safety awareness. Safety is very important in HVAC work. Technicians work with high-pressure refrigerants, electricity, and heavy equipment. They must follow safety rules, use protective equipment, and avoid risky situations. Safety skills protect both the technician and the customer. Conclusion. So, these are the 5 important skills every HVAC technician should have. Technical knowledge, problem-solving, electrical skills, communication, and safety awareness. If you develop these skills, you can become a successful and professional HVAC technician.